It's playoff week, and this is the Daily Thunder's weekly weather report, where we tell you whether the Thunder will go over or under on a variety of wagers. Gabe, what's on the wager docket today?
First up, we've got how many wins the Thunder are going to have this week against the Rockets in their first round series. There are 3 games this week. The line is set at 1.5 wins. I'm going to go over. I'll be really surprised if the Thunder don't win at least one of these first 3 games, especially with Russell Westbrook's injury situation. And frankly, I think this series is the most likely to last 7 games of all the first round series out there. Chris Paul is just so damn good at identifying the weaknesses of opposing teams. One of the few players, I think, who's capable of dissecting and picking apart Houston's small ball lineups. OKC also has several really solid wing defenders. They can throw at Harden over the course of games, and they have an absolutely lethal offensive lineup in Paul, Schroeder, SGA, Gallinari, and Adams. I'm going to take the Thunder to start out to a 2-1 lead here, so over.
The Thunder will go under. I am the Beard's brother.
All right, next we've got how many games Russell Westbrook is going to play of these first 3. The line is set at 0.5. I'm going to go under. I'm thinking as much as Westbrook would like to play, he's going to take this first week off for recovery and rejoin the Rockets for Game 4. So under.
Over. Thunder will go over.
All right, next we've got James Harden. How many points per game he's going to average through these first 3 games. The line is set at 36.1. I'm taking the under. Harden's career playoff average is 31.6, which he set last year, while his best regular season average is the current line of 36.1. With Westbrook's availability in question, especially for these first few games of the series, I am tempted to take the over, but my contract forbids it.
The Beard will set records. Bet on it. The Beard. Over.
All right, next we've got Steven Adams. How many minutes per game he's going to play through these first 3 games. The line is set at 17.8. I'm going over. Adams did average just 17.7 minutes per game against Houston through 3 regular season matchups, but that's only because he sprained his ankle 2 minutes into one of them. The other 2 games he saw 25 and 27 minutes, I believe. He is yet to go up against Houston since they traded Clint Capella and have gone all in on the small ball, and definitely he's going to have his work cut out for him defensively in this series. But I don't think the Thunder can beat the Rockets at their own game. I don't think going small is the right play for them. I could see Adams being limited to 20 to 25 minutes per game, but I'll be very surprised if he dips below that threshold. So I'm going to go over.
Adams going under. Thunder.
All right. And the finale, we've got how many combined flops per game from Chris Paul and the Beard. The line is set at 6.5. It's a little low. I'm going to have to take the over. We're talking about 2 of the top actors in the league here, on the court and in commercials. All right, I hope I'm wrong here, but the refs, they've been blowing their whistles a lot in the bubble, and I'm betting we see no shortage of flopping and free throws. As someone who fast forwards through 99% of free throw attempts, I urge our viewing audience to join the non-existent movement to defund the refs and let the players call their own fouls. Hashtag less fouls, more flow.
Find your flow. Yeah, so you're going
over.
Over?
Way over.
I like Thunder. Under. Rhymes with thunder.
All right. It's been another episode of The Tip-Off. Thanks for tuning in.